Hello everyone, how are you doing? So I did another haul when Bath & Body Works had their buy two get two candles. I just wanted to go and get a couple of backups, and I took Julian with me so he could pick some out because he does like some different scents than I like. So I went and I got 8 more candles. And then I did go to Homesense and Winners and Marshalls, you know, my little trifecta of lovely stores there. So I'll start with the Bath & Body Works candles, and I'll start with the ones that Julian did pick out. Now the first one he picked, I'm not keen on this scent, but you know, he's going to burn it in his room. And this is Pineapple Pound Cake, and the label looks, I don't know, that's just the, I mean, I can't draw, and I can probably draw better than that. I just don't like that particular label. Fresh pineapple. Oh, my bifocals aren't focusing here. Sweet vanilla puree. Sorry. Fresh pineapple, sweet vanilla pound cake, and sprinkled with powdered sugar. Yeah, it's just not my cup of tea. Pineapple scents in general aren't my cup of tea. You can definitely smell the pound cake though. You can smell that kind of batter smell. And the pineapple's a very sharp kind of pineapple. So I mean, it might soften up when it's burning. I might like it when it's burning. I'm just not that keen on it. But again, that's for Julian anyhow. Oopsie. All right, the other one that he picked out was iced dragon fruit tea. And this one actually does really smell good. Tropical dragon fruit. Vibrant green tea, lemonade, and sweet coconut milk. And I don't think I get coconut. The lemonade, I get more just dragon fruit right off the bat. The tea might come in second. I don't really pick up a lot of coconut. But it definitely is a really good dragon fruit kind of scent. And then the last one he picked out was Harvest Pomegranate. You see a bit of a fruity thing going here. And this is rich pomegranate, freshly picked apples, and sweet black plum. So this is definitely kind of a kind of like a, what am I thinking of? Not a sweet pomegranate, but a kind of a more astringent kind of pomegranate. But that's about all I really get. Almost like a greenery scent in there too. Fresh picked apples. Well, yeah, I guess I get apples too. Oh no, I'm getting nose blind here. And I got allergies too because all the ragweed is going nuts out in the woods there, so I'm not smelling too good recently. Well, yeah, apples, pomegranate. And then the ones that I did get a backup of is the basil green tea. And this is because it's really a greenery scent, and those are kind of hard to find. Dewy garden herbs, fresh picked lavender, and a touch of teakwood. Oh, this is just a nice, bright greenery scent. It's so good. A little bit of tea in there, but yeah, it's just a very refreshing kind of scent. And I did get a backup of the white lavender eucalyptus. So it's got lavender eucalyptus, and there's some spearmint in there also. Oh, this is the one. If you don't like lavender, it is quite herbal, but I mean, this is the one where I'd open up the windows and just let the fresh air in and air the place out. Oh, it's just so fresh and bright. And then these two are new labels. When I went there, I said, oh, these weren't here a couple days ago. And so these are the labels for these ones. They're really quite pretty. So I did get white pumpkin oak wood. And this one is Fresh picked white pumpkin, smooth sandalwood, and spiced pear. Now this one reminds me a lot of like pumpkin patch. Not as spicy as sweet cinnamon pumpkin. It's not like fireside pumpkin or pumpkin fireside. There's no smokiness in it. It's like a woodsy pumpkin. There's a little bit of spice, but not as much as sweet cinnamon pumpkin. So yeah, it's good. It does smell quite yummy, and the labels are really pretty. And then this is Palo Santo. I wanted to get another one, and I'm glad it showed up. Again, the label is really quite pretty. And this is just a really good, soft wood scent. Oh, I really like this one. It's so good. If you like wood scents. And then I did get another pumpkin spice latte. I was afraid they were going to be gone when I went back, but they're still there. And yeah, this one, you definitely smell the pumpkin and you definitely smell the coffee. It's just a really nice blend. Pumpkin pie spice. Oh my god, my glasses aren't working today. Freshly brewed espresso and homemade whipped cream. I get pumpkin and I get coffee. It's a little bit creamy, but not, it's a little more heavy on the coffee. But, oh, this one smells so good. Alrighty, so that is it for the Bath & Body Works candle. So I am good for the fall. Yeah, for the next 3 falls actually. So I did go to Homesense, Winners, Marshalls, and I don't think last year, did I buy something for Halloween last year? I think I did. I try not to because I don't decorate too much for Halloween anymore. But I saw this little house. I thought it was so cute, and I got the lights on. So it takes 3 AAA batteries. So you probably won't show up too much with all these bright lights, but it does light up. And they did have an actual spooky looking haunted house, but I do have one I got from Michael's. So I thought I'd just get this one. So they got a little fence and then the creepy little tree growing on the pumpkin and the doors and the windows. I thought it was really quite cute. Alrighty, and then I did get these string lights or little fairy lights, and these ones have kind of the copper string on them. And I thought these were a really good price because this is 13 feet for $7.99, and I think they had a 23-foot one for $10, which is a pretty good price. I'm kind of thinking I probably should have got the 23-foot one because I like lights like outside or inside, just little fairy lights any time of the year. I think they're just so pretty. And I did get another one of these cooling towels, and they're only $5.99. So on these hot, humid days, to go for an hour or more out in the woods, when I get overheated, I just don't feel well. I just feel dizzy and nauseous, and I really just have to keep cooling myself down to feel better. There's lots of rivers and streams and everything in the woods, and I just kind of splash myself off, but sometimes I just get so overheated, and I know the water's not for another 10 minutes or so, so I use these little cooling towels, and I do have one, but it's in the wash half the time. So I've been looking forever, and they finally had them out again. So these are a very, very thin sponge, but they soak up so much water. And even when you soak up the water, they're still lightweight. So I just put it around my neck, and I just saturate it with water. And if it gets a little bit dry, I just dunk it back in the stream out there. And then if I get overheated and there's no water nearby, I just give it a squeeze, and it holds so much water, and it just cools me off. So what you do is you just soak it up with water, and then you kind of shake it, and that activates it, makes it even colder, and it stays cool for quite a few hours. So I'm glad I was able to get another one. These, I mean, they are a godsend. I just, on those humidex days of like 40 degrees or something, I just cannot do a hike without my cooling off towel. Alrighty, and then speaking of hikes, I do have a lot of like black and gray pants, sort of those athletic ones, and sometimes you just want, I love color. I love wearing color, so I did find these little workout or hiking pants, and I really like the color for the fall. It's just that kind of deep golden color. And it's that nylon material, so not all the little, I call them alien pods. It's all these little seeds in that off the bushes that are very sticky, and they don't stick so much to these nylon type materials. But yeah, they're very lightweight, and I just really like the color. And then this jacket here, it's by a company I haven't seen before, Spark Systems. Oh, Cutter and Buck. And it says this is water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant and wind resistant. It does have a thin fleecy lining to it, so it's good for layering. And I really like the color also. And oopsie, I did see this sweater, and it's by Vera Moda. And retail, it was $50 Canadian, and they had it on for $16.99, so a little bit of a savings. And I just really love the color. It's just that soft butter yellow, and it's very, very soft. And just some more skinny syrups. This is vanilla caramel creme. And some St. Julie fudge. This is really, really good fudge. It'll just melt in your mouth. $4.99 for 250 grams, which is a pretty good price. So that's really, really good fudge. And the last thing was some hand soaps. Like this was like $7.99, and you get 24 fluid ounces or 710 mils. So you do get quite a bit. This is apple cinnamon, which smells really, really good. And this one is by Castle Bell, made in Portugal. And this is pumpkin chai, and it really smells good. It has all those yummy spices that you find in chai teas and that. So yeah, I'm all getting all ready for fall here. Can't wait, can't wait. So actually it's still not even lunchtime yet, and it's still a little bit cool out, so I think I'll take the puppies out now, because I think it's supposed to be thunderstorms later. So anyway, yeah, all the fall merchandise is just rolling in, and I'm in my happy place. So I hope everyone's doing well. Take care, be kind, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.